it's not. Hey guys, new day. Today is Tuesday. I've been uploading a lot, but I haven't been posting. Not uploading. I've been recording a lot, but I haven't been posting. But I do have some packages that just came in, and I want to share that with you guys. It's just Raydon. I love Raydon. I'm not collecting right now. I'm not hunting. But there are a few pieces that I want for my collection, and I had to have it. So there's this site that is like the sister site to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods that had the stuff that I needed for far less. So I'm gonna show you guys that. I just got a thing that. Okay, so I thought that was my husband because I need to open up all this and get it out the way before he comes home. There's 3 big boxes here. Trust me, there's not a lot of stuff in it. It's just big. I don't know why. I don't know. But let's open up some package together, guys. Good morning, folks. So it's a new day. I'm up and I'm gonna go get some. My face is a little dry. I need to put some moisturizer on. But I'm gonna go take Destiny because she has to go get her 7th grade shots here in the state. They do a 7th grade shot, I believe. Do your kids have to get a shot before they go to 7th grade? But here it's a thing. That's what I'm getting ready to go do. I'm just gonna moisturize my face while I'm looking at y'all. No, gotta wash my face, brush my teeth. I'm not even gonna put on makeup because I put on makeup the other day and I broke out like really bad. But I look okay in the camera. Just want to make sure I look okay in real life. And then I'm gonna go to Target to go check out their Magnolia line stuff. I want to get a few pieces and pick up some dinner and then come on back. So good morning and let's go.
I'm gonna get sick.
Come.
You did your chores?
Yes, but there's like one part that I can't do. I didn't scrape it. I used this and this, but it kind of came off.
Okay.
Because I've been putting water in it, just destroyed it.
Oh, Daddy destroyed my pot.
Yes.
So I gotta get Madison dressed. I'm contemplating whether or not I want coffee. If I drink coffee and when I drive, my anxiety and coffee just does not mix. It's just not a good mix. So, Maddie, get dressed, baby. We gotta go. It's just not a good mix, but at the same time, I feel so drained because of, there's a video that I put out explaining what I'm going through emotionally, and
Hi.
say hi. It's my boo. It's getting big. And I'm trying my best to, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm trying not to get to the point where I'm not able to come back like fully. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just getting up and making sure that I get everything that I'm supposed to do. Like, yesterday Rob came home and he had to help me finish out the day, which is very rare, but I love that man. He's able to come in and know when I need help. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I need to wash my truck. Actually, I need to clean up my truck. It's so hot mess in here. Look at this. Look at this. I am a pig. I need to clean this up. There's a ton of receipt. Just a bunch of stuff. I need to wash that mess down there. This is my Corona kit. Got my hand sanitizer, my current mask, and my purse, and a bunch of other stuff. But this is what I came for. I need some water.
Wait, I need to do something. Fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Washed her hair last night and and these little braids, but I'm not gonna take it out. It's dry.
Maddie,
I'm
you
not gonna
can't
take
bring.
them out because
Maddie, you can't bring
Maddie
the
hair gets
tablet.
tangled, and I don't want to deal with tangled hair. So, I don't know. I might just take it out because she looks a little weird. Check them out.
Turn it into a cool car, and I take that cool car and I trade it for a Hispanic. Put the golf and garage stamp on it, and I'll turn it into a ride that I can sell for 6 figures.
Wanna role play with me? Yeah. Okay. Here, so you have to go back to Flooper. Jaxson.
There's no way I could do
Your face. Can I role play? Maddie, can I role play? Can I role play, Maddie? Can I role play?
Okay, she's all done. Matt, can we see? Cutie, patootie. All right, let's go. Let's go, guys. First up of the day, TJ Maxx. I need to find some baskets for the pantry, so that's what I'm gonna do. Again?
Yeah.
Who are you talking to? Come on. Where are you going? Get back on. Get back on. I think this is like the only thing I'm gonna get from in here. It's $2. This is cute though. I love this. $16.99, not bad. Ooh, I got this right here. This is cute. That's cute. I don't see a price on it. $16.99. I like that. Ready to move on to the next store?
Yeah.
We are now at Target, our second store of the day, and I'm here to just do the Magnolia line stuff because I want to get my hands on some of that stuff before I can't find it. So, but at first I gotta find some lashes. So let's do that. I think I found them. I think they're $4. Winged and Bold, and there's another one. Like, it's the same one. Starstruck. I like this one. And then Winged and Polished. And Starstruck also. I think that's it. So I'm gonna get these two. Okay, so we're done with Target.
It's hot in here.
It is hot in here. We're done with Target. I can't put y'all nowhere. Alright. So we're done with Target. Did you give her some?
Yeah.
And I'm about to grab these girls some lunch and head on home. I got a headache. I have a headache. Yes, boo. It's almost 1 o'clock. So I picked up dinner. We're gonna do chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo. I don't even think I was recording. And call it a day. Yeah. I spent $80 at Target. Why Target? Why? Every time I go in Target, It's like $100. Like, why? But whatever. Okay, guys. I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff I got from Target. So I got this rug on clearance. It was like $13.98. It just looks like this. And I love the color. See the color up close. I'm gonna put that on my kitchen floor. I'll put that on my kitchen floor. Let me see if I can put you guys up so you can see my face. That's much better. So much better. And then from Target, I got some tapered candles for fall. I haven't got the white ones yet. This was $4. I don't know why I paid $4 for 2 candles, but they're from the Heart and Hand collection thing. I got 2 of these. You guys saw when I picked up these. I got a primer because Maddie squeezed out all my face primer on the floor in the bathroom. I got some setting powder. This is the Mineral Matte Finishing Powder. And it's in the medium dark. So I got that. And then from the Joanna, the Magnolia line at Target, I only got these little potted plants. They're mini plants, $4.99. So I just got this one. And this one is the prettiest. I like this one. Mini rosemary. I love that. And then this one is the mini jade plant. So that's all I got from Target. Plus I got chicken and pasta for dinner and stuff like that. Then from TJ Maxx, I got this plant for my tier tray. I'm gonna redo my tier tray, so I'm collecting as much plant as I possibly can. I paid $7 for this, $6.99. And I got a facial cleanser wipes, cleansing wipes from TJ Maxx on clearance for $2. That's all I got. Okay, so Mr. Rob's home, and this is what we're doing. We are literally chilling. My house is a hot mess, so I might do a cleaning video sometime soon. I don't know. But Daddy's home. I made chicken Alfredo for dinner. Didn't really show you guys that. I have to go give the 2 little ones a bath, but that's in like 30 minutes. Not time soon. But there's nothing else that's going on right now, so I will see you guys tomorrow.